ka jingkado ha ka jylla kentup nado kanong ba shlong bat ru ha ki benta jong ka rilom garo kala dei kawai na kimat ba ka sorkar kaya kendu menta hadin ba ka jingshit kerang jong ka sngi ka blane lakat tu ka ni sngi menta katkum ka jingatho da Myntri Jokatnat Public Health Engineering o Marcus N Marang la ong ba ka daw ba jong ka jingtyrkhong hi kadei na ka jingkala jong ka mei mariang ulai tho ru balalap baladon bun ki jaka kumhari lom garo bawat katlong ru kala terkhong kad hadu bakimla asyo ban penpai shaki pai ba.
Department is doing their level best to sort out the issues that are coming out. So department is all out to solve the issues. Of course there were some shortages because of the shutdown. Because of the shutdown, there were some problems. Otherwise, shutdown and breakdowns of lines. That is why the problem were there. Otherwise, department is trying to solve the issues at the earliest. It was like this, last time there was a shutdown of a 33 kV line, I think, because of some stringing of the some power grid there. So because of that there was a shutdown, and because of that some problem in the supply water supply schemes. Otherwise now once this are restored, everything will be resumed. It will resolve now, so it will be starting very soon. Drying up issue is of we all know that it is because of the global warming that is happening around us. So department has taken not only the PHE, there are several departments from government of Meghalaya. Government is taking all sincerest effort to retain the catchment areas and to build that. Government has taken steps in soil and water conservation also. Through ADB funded funds, we are trying to construct check dams, reservoirs, so that we hold the water table in the ground. So we are taking all steps to retain the water level in the soil. I don't have the figure with me right now, but I can give you example of some of the issues in Garo Hills. There are projects where department has already completed, but because of the drying up of the catchment areas, at the intake point no water at all at this juncture. So therefore it is not possible from the government side to give the water where the catchment areas are being dried. So I would appeal to you again to bear with the government for some time, and once the monsoon resumes, I think all the catchment areas will be regained.